Welcome back to All About AI, where we cut through the noise to find the tech that actually makes your life easier. If you're anything like me, your brain races with ideas, but then your fingers hit the keyboard and suddenly you're in the typing trap. Here's a reality check. The average person types at just 40 words per minute, while natural speech flows at 150 words per minute. That's a 3.75 times speed difference. And according to 2025 market data, the global speech recognition market is projected to reach $19.09 billion this year, growing at 23.1% annually. This isn't hype, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. We've all had those moments where we thought, man, I wish I could just talk my thoughts onto the screen. Well, today, I'm reviewing a tool that promises exactly that, but with a level of polish that traditional dictation tools could only dream of. It's called Whispr Flow, or often just Flow. They're not just transcribing, they're actively editing your thoughts as you speak. Stick around, because if you write emails, code, documents, or even DMs, this tool might genuinely change your life. So what is Flow? Simply put, it's an AI voice dictation app for desktop and mobile that lets you talk to type in any text box. But the core differentiator is speed and polish. Let's talk stats. The average typing speed sits around 45 words per minute. Flow, however, positions itself as 4 times faster than typing. Power users can hit speeds of up to 220 words per minute. I've personally clocked in at over 139 WPM. For me, in my coding workflow, this has brought about genuine 3x productivity gains. The company even claims the average user is typing 72% of their characters with Flow after 6 months of use. That is massive adoption. But how does this compare to the competition? AllAboutAI's competitive analysis shows that Dragon Naturally Speaking advertises up to 99% accuracy and is typically sold as a one-time license between $200 and $700, with setup that often includes profile training, while Whispr Flow publicly claims up to 4 times faster writing than typing with strong auto editing. And at 2,000 words per day, that speed can reasonably save about 150 plus hours per year, close to 4 work weeks. But the real magic is the AI auto edits. When you talk fast, you stumble, you use filler words, and Flow is designed to instantly process your words and filter out all the ums, ahs, and pauses. It's like having an invisible editor drafting and polishing simultaneously. Let me give you an example from the sources. If you dictate something like, "We're going to send that to you on Friday," actually, we'll probably send it on Monday. Flow recognizes you're correcting yourself and only outputs the final version. "We're going to take care of that and send you the next round on Monday." It fixes your grammar, lists things in point form, and adds correct punctuation automatically. Independent reviews confirm this eliminates 80% of post-dictation editing work, a game changer for content creators. This isn't just transcription, this is seamless, structured writing. Now let's look under the hood at the features that make Flow indispensable across every application you use. First, cross-platform functionality is key. Flow works on Mac, Windows, and iPhone, syncing everything seamlessly. They even have an iPhone keyboard app that lets you use it in notes, texts, or any application while commuting or on the go. How does this stack up against competitors? Here's AllAboutAI's competitive breakdown. While Otter.ai excels at meeting transcription and Google Voice typing offers basic free functionality, Flow dominates in real-time interactive text creation. According to user feedback across Reddit and Hacker News, Whispr Flow users praise its ability to speak naturally without explicit punctuation commands, though it does process audio through cloud servers. For teams prioritizing absolute privacy, this is a critical trade-off. Super Whispr keeps data 100% on device, while Flow offers SOC2 Type 2 certification only in enterprise plans. For those of us in the all-about-AI sphere, especially developers and prompt engineers, Flow has specific tools built just for us. Developer recognition. It's great for coding because it understands technical conventions like camel case, snake case, uppercase, acronyms, and command line interfaces. File tagging. If you're prompting an AI within an IDE like Cursor or Windsurf, you can mention a file name, like, "Can you go inside of the what you get section.tsx file?" And Flow automatically tags the file and adds that context to your prompt. This is a massive speed up when working with large language models. Snippets. You can create custom voice shortcuts for frequently used text. For example, I can just say Docker run and it expands a long, complex command that I would otherwise have to manually type or copy paste. Beyond coding, the personal features are excellent. Personal dictionary. This is a huge win. Flow automatically learns your unique words, proper nouns, and even how you spell certain names, like the difference between may and may. You can also manually add made-up words or jargon. Multilingual support. It supports over 100 languages and can automatically detect and transcribe them, allowing you to move freely between languages. It's about more than speed. It's about not losing your train of thought. Okay, let's pivot to the practical stuff, starting with privacy. Since Flow processes transcription in the cloud, some people might raise an eyebrow, but Flow has a strong posture here, offering a crucial setting: privacy mode. You can toggle this setting to enforce zero data retention of your audio, transcripts, and edits. This is critical for sensitive data. In fact, for highly regulated fields like healthcare and legal, Flow is HIPAA ready across all plans and offers SOC 2 Type 2 certification on its enterprise plans. This level of security is necessary for professionals handling confidential records. Now, pricing, and this is great news. Basic, free. You get the core lightning-fast dictation, support for 100 plus languages, and privacy mode. You are limited to 2,000 words per week on desktop and 1,000 words per week on iPhone. This is perfect for testing the waters. Pro plan. If you love it, the Pro plan is typically $15 per month and includes unlimited words, command mode for voice editing, and unlimited mobile usage. Teams plan. For organizations, minimum of 3 seats. It starts around $12 per user per month, billed annually. This adds centralized billing and crucial features like shared snippets and a team dictionary. Here's the competitive landscape breakdown. The digital dictation software market is experiencing 12.6% CAGR growth through 2033, with increasing user adoption driven by remote work and AI integration. While legacy tools like Dragon still dominate technical/medical fields, AI-powered alternatives like Whispr Flow, Super Whisper, and Aqua Voice are capturing the general productivity market with their superior user experience and modern pricing models. Flow is not just a replacement for typing, it's a total productivity shift. It takes dictation, a tool we've had for decades, and successfully merges it with modern AI, making it genuinely usable and incredibly fast. If your work is primarily about individual creation, rapid writing, and getting polished first drafts down quickly, Flow is the clear winner in the AI dictation space. It's built for creators, lawyers, engineers, and anyone who feels slowed down by their keyboard. So, are you ready to stop typing and start speaking? I highly recommend checking out the free plan. The best way to understand the speed difference is to experience it yourself. Remember, with voice dictation achieving speeds of 120 to 140 words per minute, compared to traditional typing's 40 words per minute, early adopters are already recovering 150 plus hours annually. That's time you could be spending on creative work, strategic thinking, or simply enjoying life outside the keyboard. Let me know in the comments below. How many words per minute do you type? And do you think Flow could genuinely help you code or write faster? If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to All About AI for more deep dives into the tools that are shaping the future of productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.